Hi guys. So on this class, I'm going to show you how you're going to design a logo using Pixel Lab. Okay. So should in case a client give you a work that you should design the logo for their brand, what you need to do is you're going to research first. Okay. You're going to research about the brand. They are going to give you the information of the brand. So when they give you the information of the brand, you know what the brand is all about. So by the time you know what the brand is all about, you're going to go on the research. You're going to search. You're going to think. You research on the possible brands that have the same purpose with the company that gave you that particular job. So let's say, for instance, someone contact you and said he's producing a drink. You understand, a soft drink, and he wants you to make a logo for him. So what you're going to do is you're going to go online, search for popular soft drinks, and look at the concepts in which they do their logo. So that will help you and guide you on how to drive your own logo for your own client. Okay. So when designing the logo, I'll first of all advise you should make your background transparent, or if possible, let's make it plain. Okay, let's make it plain white. But I always go with the transparent background. If you want to put background, we'll put later. So, but for the purpose of this training, we'll be replicating some brand designs that already exist. Okay, so that I will show you how to go about it and achieve what is there. So now let me import one of the brand we are going to replicate here. So I downloaded some logos that we will be replicating. So I think we will start with let's start with this X. That's the former Twitter. Okay. So let's say, for instance, you have done your design and you have done your sketchings, because before you design logo or anything, you're supposed to make a sketch. Okay, you're supposed to make a sketch of what you want. So let's pretend that this is a sketch of your brand, your logo that you just finished, and you want to design it. Okay, so let's use this as a guide. So what we're going to do here is we're going to reduce the opacity of this so that we're going to make our own design on it. I don't know if you understand. Good. So now, making designs, I would advise you use guide or grid. Okay, so I've added my line. I'll go to edit. Okay, so let's say this is my sketch. Then I'll adjust this to suit my design. Right, let me add again. Then this will come this way. Okay, then this will be here, and this should be where it is. So I'm just making a sketch of what I'll be designing. Right, and good. Then let me add for there. All right, and plus again, let me take it to this place. So basically my design should fall within this space. All right, then what you're going to go first is we'll go to our shape. Let me hide this. Sorry. Good. So let's go to our shape. Cycle. Let me lock this. Good. All right. Cycle. So I'll make this as fast as possible. Okay. All right. So let's say this is our first step, right? Then let's make the color black if we want. Good. So now what next? We'll be making this, the X sign. So now we'll go to our shape again. That's supposed to come in white. Okay. We're making this way. Okay. Let me lock the cycle. Good. So we're making this way. So since I've gotten the cycle, let me just hide it. Now I'm working on this particular okay. Let's say this is my line guide. Good. So we're going to arrange it to fit. All right. Good. So now what I'll be doing here is I will check this. I'm going to still create another square, right? For example, I'm making it black. I'll bring it down here. Okay, I'm making it black. The reason is because I want to cut that aspect, that part away. So I'm going to copy this again. I'm bringing it down here. Good. Let me. All right. Then I'm going to merge these two. These three, I mean, 1, 2, 3. I'll merge it. Click OK. So I've merged it now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase the black color. Okay. Erase color. Let me switch it on. Let me change the color to black. Good. So the black is gone. So the tolerance should be 0 and the edge smoothing should be 0 too. Good. So now we have gotten this particular shape here, right? Good. So now if I should hide it, the shape has another this thing inside. So I can just duplicate this into 2. Let me just copy it. Copy, right? Good. So let me hide these 2 so I can fit in this to this actual size that is here. Okay. If this comes this way, you see this gives us our perfect size. Okay, let's leave it this way. Then I will hit OK. Then I will duplicate this into 2. Let me copy it, and I will change this color to black or any other color, but I prefer using black. Now I'm going to align it to here. Okay, let me increase the size. Good. Then I'm going to merge the 2 together. I'm going to merge this and this together, right? And I'll merge. I don't know if you understand, because I'm merging these 2 because I want them to be 1. So as you can see now, they are 1, right? While this one I hide it, and the other one, so anything I'm done with, I just hide it. Then I'll now go to color erase again. Okay, it's always clean the white, but this time around we should be taking it back to black because it is the black aspect that we want to be cleaning. Okay, so I've cleaned the black now, and now hit OK. Let me reduce the tolerance to 0 too. Now hit OK. So now let's see what we have gotten. This and this. Then let me turn this to black. This recent one that I just did, this particular one here, let me turn it to black. The color should be black. Black. Good. So as you can see now, if I hide this, see I've gotten the first X, right? Good. So now, what else? Let me hide everything again. Now we have to work with the second X. So you can still repeat the same process, but this time around, let me just copy this particular one here and duplicate it. Let me just copy it. Let me copy it. Let me make it bigger. Bigger. Let me flip it. I'll go to crop. Where's the crop? Flip it this way. Good. So I have to adjust it to suit this. Excellent. Okay. All right. Good. So let me turn it to white. Then let me cut it with black shape. But you can still erase it like this if you want. Where is it? Erase, 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 erase. Eraser. No, let's just do the right process. Where's shape? Good. Alright. Let me reduce it. If not, some of the parts will still be outside. Good. Let me still reduce it. Good. So I'm going to make it black too. Then I'll go to color eraser. Sorry, I'll merge it first. I'll merge this and this together. So let me go to merge this and this, right? Then you click. Good. Hold on. Let me see if it is merged. It is not. Hold on, let me merge it. Let me just leave it like that as the red. So I'll merge this and this together. Then I'll click merge, then I'll click OK. Alright. Then I will now come to color eraser, so that you understand what I'm doing. Erase color, activate it. The white went, but it's not white that I want to erase. So I'm going to click on this one and I'll turn it to red. Okay? Or you can simply click on this dot here and you pick the color you want to erase, then you click OK. Like for example this, I activated it, then I click on this place. I want to erase this red, so I'll bring it to the red. Then I click good. You see, it is gone. So let me reduce the tolerance and this, so that everything will be sharp. It should not be blurry. Right? Good. Now let me unback everything. Okay. So this is my logo. But let me see, compared to the original. Okay, so this is what will happen. Let me drag this beneath. Let me bring it down. Hold on. This one should be here, right? Yes, I think this is the perfect way. So now what you're going to do is to merge everything together. If you're sure that you're done, you merge everything together. Okay, right, and merge, merge this and this together, then you merge. Okay, so it is now one. So let's see the difference between this and our original logo. This is our logo now. So let's see the original logo. Let me bring back the opacity. Opacity 100. Okay, then let me reduce the size too. So as you can see, this is our logo. This is, it looks almost exactly right. So that's how to achieve logo, okay, using Pixel Lab. So you can use any other format, just study it and you understand it, and you're going to create your own unique logo. So now I'll give you an assignment so that you replicate another logo for me.